Yes, honey. Three things from last month's Boxycharm. Yes, honey. Can I help you? Channel, I'm Maskara Cakes. So I took a clue from Michelle Wong, and all I have on for makeup today is eyebrows and a bright red lip, because I have this cystic pimple right here. Pretty sure it has its own personality by now, so I don't want to upset it. Boxycharm is a makeup subscription box for $21 a month, and they send you 5 full-size products every month, and it ranges. Lately we've been getting one kind of palette in every box, so that's been kind of cool. But I like it because it gives me a chance to try out new products, build up my makeup collection. Not that it needs any more building, but give me a chance to try different brands, all kinds of different stuff. So today is Boxycharm Day. So I'm going to review last month's products and open this month's box. So I gave away 3 things from last month's Boxycharm. I'm getting ready to send them in a couple days. But I gave away the Wander Beauty gold eye patch things, and the brown bullet lipstick, and the cuticle oil nail polish stuff. So the things that I kept were this chocolate brown gel eyeliner, which I tried once and it was pretty shitty. It was really light, didn't really show up. I'm going to try to use it as an eyebrow gel and see if that does anything. And then I kept the Laura Lee palette, and then all that shit with her hit the fan. And I contacted Boxycharm and they gave me charms for it. I don't really ever want to use this. And I did use it once, and it wasn't very good. It was a little chalky, and patterning the colors didn't stay very long. So, not that big a loss. So that's my review of the 2 products from last month. So this is this month's box, and I've broken the seal, but I haven't opened it. And let's see. This month's theme is Wildflower. That's really pretty. First thing in here is a 3 brush set from Alamar. It's got 3 eye brushes, like a flat liner brush, a detail brush, and like a big fluffy blending brush. So that's exciting. This goes for $18. I'm excited to try these out. I love eye brushes. Next thing in here is from Hank and Henry. Dang! That is hella nice. I don't know if that's the bottom or the top. That is really weird. Oh! It's a liquid lipstick. It's not. I thought it was a bullet lipstick. Because that's what it looks like, right? No, it's a liquid lipstick. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like cake batter. Ooh, that's a really pretty color, too. It's the color Petal Pusher. I've never heard of Hank and Henry. So this retails for $17. And this is the one that I wanted because they had a couple options. So I'm very happy about this. This is one of the things that you could have got alternatives for. I got a Laura Geller blush, baked blush in Tropic Hues. That's freaking gorgeous. Kevin, freaking gorgeous. Don't look at me like that. Ooh. That looks like a nice color. And this retails for $28. And then this is a Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. That is weird. It's got like a little wheel. It's got like a little roller wheel. There you go. That's super weird. That would be kind of cool to try out. It makes a really thin line though. Crazy. And then that goes for $19. And then last is this Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, that's cool. It's got a cool little mirror in it. Those are the colors. Look at these bluish gray shades. They look really pretty. Ooh, that's great. It's called Silver Spoon. After Midnight. And that's Dark Side. So this will be fun to try out, see what kind of smoky eye I can get out of that. So that is September's Boxycharm. Did you get the same things I got in your box? What variations did you get? Let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.